KLM Royal Dutch Airlines expects to receive their very first Airbus A350 this year, when airframe MSN 809 arrives in summer 2026. The A350-900 recently moved to the final assembly stage at Toulouse, France. Let's take this opportunity to look at the aircraft and KLM's order. Completing major structural assembly, MSN 809 had its carbon fiber wings and landing gear installed before it headed to final assembly. Now the aircraft is waiting for the cabin to be built out for customers and a trip to the paint shop, where it'll be adorned in the signature blue livery of KLM. The new wide-body jet is the first of many to come, as KLM is ramping up a €7 billion fleet renewal program designed to replace its legacy Airbus A330 and Boeing 777-200ER twin-aisles. The combined fleet of KLM and Air France is on track to become the largest Airbus A350 fleet in the world, according to Airways. KLM's order book alone counts 22 A350-900s, but including combined options with Air France, the possible total could reach up to 40 more units. KLM is also replacing the 747F freighter with A350F freighters, adding to its Airbus armada. Including MSN 809, KLM expects to receive at least 3 A350s in 2026. KLM has designed its A350 cabin with a 331-seat 4-class layout focusing on premiumization. Compared to the Boeing 777-200ER it replaces, the A350 beats it on two important technical points. The A350 burns 25% less fuel and has a 40% smaller noise footprint, both of which future-proof operational problems for KLM as the cost of jet fuel soars and large hubs have increasingly stricter noise regulations. To prepare for its arrival, KLM has been training pilots using a dedicated A350-900 flight simulator that was introduced in the Netherlands in October 2025, according to Airways. Business class on the new KLM A350 fleet will be 34 seats in a 1-2-1 configuration. The premium comfort class is a 26-seat section with a 2-4-2 layout with more legroom, recline and a superior menu than economy. Moving further back, there'll be 271 economy seats. 33 of these will be economy comfort at the front of the economy cabin. Economy comfort seats will have 4 inches of extra legroom and twice as much recline as the standard economy seat. Every seat will have a 4K UHD touchscreen and USB-C power ports for personal devices. So, are you looking forward to KLM introducing the A350-900 into its fleet? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.